Where are you from and what's your favorite food?
I come from Latvia, Brussels.
I mean, I'm Italian, so many things.
Option are two, pasta or pizza.
My favorite food from my country would be praženia, and it is a very simple dish made of paprika and eggs and some tomatoes.
I'll probably go for a roast dinner.
A certain food that's from there that's unique to El Salvador is pupusa, which is like a tortilla with beans and rice or chicken. It's really good. I love it.
I'm from Argentina, and of course we have the best steak in the world.
I'm from Hungary, and it's hard to say because our cuisine is amazing. Goulash, everybody knows goulash, but it's so good.
It's good. Oh God, does pineapple belong on pizza?
Absolutely not.
No, definitely not. I'm not Italian, but...
If you're in Italy, no. If you're not in Italy, yes.
Definitely no.
Oh yes, in my mind it does. I actually like it quite a lot.
Kind of have like a sweet flavor to it, but if any Italian would ask me, I would always say no, just to be sure.
Yes.
No. No.
Have you tried it?
Yes.
Have you?
I have, and just really didn't want to admit that I did.
No, for sure, no. Please don't put pineapple on pizza. If you want to kill pizza, yeah, it's the correct way to do it.